beer. But I didn't get any beer with it. That was unfortunate. Just a job. Okay. Let's see if we can fix this guy. Maybe it's a school laptop. Or maybe it was. So this one is a matter of maybe repair, maybe not. So we won't spend a lot of time. And that way is not important either. Everything's on the cloud. And cloud is a beautiful place. It's not raining there. Okay. Oh shish. Oh my god. Yeah, no, this is not gonna be wow. There, 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 there. Oh Jesus. Yeah, even there. Wow. Okay. Yeah, no. Can't tell the beer brand. Yeah, just have a look under the microscope. How severe is this damage? I mean, this is just this side. Who knows what's on the other side? Usually, liquid doesn't get here as quickly as it does on the top. So because it's spilled on the keyboard. Well, anyway, even the connector here. How's the connector condition there? I removed the battery, by the way. So it's just a sticker. Okay. Anyway, so I'm not gonna bother with this. Just give them a option of maybe a replacement computer, maybe data recovery if they're interested. How big is the damage to the SSD? Bottom is fine, top has some liquid. S4L N05-8A01-8030. Okay. Yeah, 256. Okay, anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll quote them a replacement computer or transfer the SSD. I won't actually bother with this kind of repair. And what is the age of this machine? (2015). Okay. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.